Tell me, baby, if you wanna be the one to find love, would you let me be the one to show you all the things we could be? I just wanna dance, would you cancel all your plans? Got a rack of all them bands.
Wake up pretty late today, around like 10. So we decided to go to the Hyundai. Where we stay, like it's only a bridge away from the Hyundai. Like we crossed that bridge and then we are there.
Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ay, ay, go, it's the time. Ay, you feel the vibe. Like baby, hop up in my ride and we can roll it. Baby, you shine. Let's ride the tide. So baby, pick up all your shit and we can go. Baby, just pull up. Like pull up to your block. Ay, time to live it up. Ay, pop another bottle and your friend around the club. You don't gotta be polite, you're not nice. So baby, just take my hand for the night. Like let's ride along the coastline. Let's fly. Baby, get high with me on low tide. Tell me, baby, if you wanna be the one to find love, would you let me be the one to show you all the things we could be? I just wanna dance, would you cancel all your plans? Got a rack of all them bands, spend it all on you. Yo, yo, yo. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Be mine, baby. Every time I see you, you're like wine, baby. Swear to God, you're getting hella fine lately. Till the end of time, 그냥 너와 나야, babe. 그냥 너와 나야, babe. Don't fuck with any other fuckboy. I know what you want, right? They just want you one night, damn. You're now number 5, working bad, looking bad. And baby, if you want that all-girl summer vibe, I got you. Just hop in my black, white coupe, we riding through Rodale Drive on the piece that completes you. No one not, babe. No one tell me, baby, if you wanna be the one to find love, would you let me be the one to show you all the things we could be? I just wanna dance, would you cancel all your plans? Got a rack of all them bands, spend it all on you. Yo, yo, yo. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh.
Hey, wait, please, I think I need you. Be wanna be the only one. I mean, not tryna compromise, but I don't make them to break it back. Anytime, bring me light, we get high. If I ride all around, then you mine.
One eternity later.
Kenzo các thứ có khi phải quay lại, có khi phải quay lại, ở đây đẹp quá.
On our way to Manmade Uyangmi. My husband. This is Gangnam area. Oh, made it. Manmade Uyangmi.
Later that same evening.
Cái này là ăn chơi rồi.
Halloween. Craving for some chicken, but all they have is booze.
Thế
Yếu thế.
bia chẳng bọt đéo.
Người bị Hà Nội à?
Chất men của thời đại.
The crave is real. Look at that juicy chicken looking.
Flashback. The next day.
Today's lunch is snow crab main event. We didn't go to Norangjin because I think they are too overpriced. Last time I went there, it was pretty pricey. So I did find some place else. It's called Mapo Agriculture and something center. I can't remember the exact name, but right now we are heading there. I think crab is best eating in the daytime because at nighttime I can't process all the protein it provides. Last time I eat king crab at night and I cannot sleep because it was too much. So let's try it in the daytime. We went to Iteawon the day before the incident and it was hella crowded at 8 p.m. already. And we leave at 9:30. It's still crowded and I think yesterday is peak. That's why a lot of people suffer, probably from like people keep stepping on each other and stuff. Man, it is crazy. Why would you like go into the crowd and get suffered like that? So I feel really bad for them. But Halloween is fun. It doesn't mean like, oh, you shouldn't go out on Halloween just because of that. But I think first of all, stay safe, guys. We have arrived. A decent walk from the metro station to the market. Let's dive in. They have bunch and various food.
How to cook? Sesame or
Sashimi.
Sesame.
Yeah. Ooh, we have spotted some snow crab. Indulging in king crab. Oh my god.
1 kilo.
Okay, let's go. This is called the sea penis. It does look like a penis. Aww. are cooking for us and slicing for us over there. We are having this sea cucumber and sea penis sashimi. Over there is samnakji. We're gonna try it over here because we have quite a lot of food already. So yeah. Okay, so
oh, okay.
okay. So the lady point us to the restaurant that they are having in the market, so that's where we had it and have lunch. Go. So they gave us a menu. We just check on what we want, and they are setting up for us the whole table, the sitting area, and this is the restaurant. Our snow crab is finally in, also with our assorted sashimi. That is sea cucumber and sea penis. Sashimi abalone. That is finest. Finishing up with the hot pot. Fish soup, to be exact.
A few moments later.
Approaching Baccarat collaboration with Pokemon. I see Pikachu. Pika Pika. We have Hermes, Golden Goose, the brand that I would never wear, and Byredo. Let's go to Byredo. This is Dosan Park, and we decided to go back to Manmade Uyangmi today because yesterday we come so late, it's about to close, so we didn't have a chance to take coffee there. So today we are doing some revenge. We're back. There's a line for cafe. I think this is pretty famous. I've heard them before. Wine bar, I think.
Nổi tiếng về cái chỗ ngồi tụi nó.
If you got the money, check them out. 10 points. Wow, spotted. Iteawon bombers were by Offset and Rihanna. Damn. They do have everything. My son Margiela, we got you. Think of any other brands. This is if you know category. Damn. Supreme Akira. Oh, I found it. My favorite piece. All sold out. Apparently.
2 hours later.
Stop. It's gonna be Chrome Hearts.
Later that same evening.
We decided to eat near Cheongdam today, so that's where we headed. Cheongdam at night. Very crowded. This is how you serve utensil in Korea.
Chập tay xuống. Đây nước thịt tôm.
Phải là strawberry go. Yay! Really recommend you try the grapes. It's really good. It's called Shine Muscat and other not so healthy looking street food, but cut into pieces. Humping lobster.